Okay, guys, we're doing a little bike ride. So yeah, let's just do it. I got this new little fun upgrade on my. Well, I don't know what it does. It just. Oh yeah, that's right. It makes it sound like a motorcycle. So yeah, let's continue. Hold on real quick. I gotta check something. Is it working? Okay, it's working. So guys, while you're at it, subscribe and like the video, please, because I'm new to this and I really want some subscribers and some stuff. I don't know. Just hopefully you like our videos. I don't have all that software stuff. So yeah, I can't record like other streamers or anything else. So please don't dog my videos. I'll try not to dog fans unless they dog me. So yeah, guys, do walk now. Okay. Well, that's it for the video. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you later.